Sarracenia leucophylla was purchased. This Sarracenia leucophylla is different from ordinary ones. The flowers are double-flowered. Let's replant. I think I can divide roots for replanting. First, remove the old soil. Rinse off the soil with water so as not to damage the roots. Divide roots for replanting is done. Disinfect the scissors used for cutting by roasting them over a fire. Cut only the dead parts. There are digested insects. The soil used is a mixture of Canuma soil and peat moss in the ratio of 80:2. The Canuma soil is washed with water to remove any dust. Place a large piece of Canuma soil in the bottom of the pot. Larger Canuma soil is also washed with water to wash away dust. Fill the pot with soil and make a hole in the center. Put the Sarracenia in the center of the hole. Replanting is done. I can't wait to see the double-flowered plants. Click here to watch a video about Sarracenia. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.